Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about a lovely animal, the cat. Cats are cute, smart, and very popular pets all around the world. A cat is a small mammal. Cats have soft fur, sharp claws, and bright eyes. They use their whiskers to feel things around them. Cats can live in many places. Some cats live in houses with people. Some cats live outside on streets or farms. Cats can live in cities and in the countryside. Cats are carnivores. This means they eat meat. Cats like fish, chicken, and special cat food. They also need clean water every day. Cats love to sleep, play, and jump. They can jump very high and run very fast. Cats make sounds like meow, purr, and hiss. When a cat purrs, it usually feels happy and safe. Cats are very clean animals. They clean their fur by licking it. Cats can see well in the dark and have very good hearing. They are also curious and smart. Cats can be great friends to humans. They help people feel happy and relaxed. Many families around the world love and care for cats. Now you know more about cats. Cats are cute, clever, and wonderful animals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning videos.